How is it that a 22-year-old got this? Creative finance. This is the craziest thing is he sends me a voice memo last night and he's like, you changed my life and creative finance changed my life. I'm 22 years old. I have more money than my parents and I have a bigger house than my parents at 22. It's insane. All right, guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. We are gonna be doing SubTo cribs today. Let's go in. I wanna talk with a 22-year-old kid who 18 months ago when he joined my mentorship, my community, this dude was living with his parents. I drive up to Vegas and I go,
move out of your mom's house.
And surprise, surprise, here we are at his very first home he lives in.
Welcome to the house.
Welcome to the house, he says. Guys, this is Kevin Choe. Follow him on Instagram. He is in the SubTo community. He's a great leader in our community. Kevin, how many deals do you think you and I will do together this year?
Probably 50 around.
50 deals we'll do this year. And where are we standing right now? What house is this?
This is a house that I just bought subject to. It's a 3.325% interest rate. It was an existing Airbnb before.
Okay, so we're gonna go on a tour. I wanna show you guys what a 22-year-old kid could get. Did you use your credit?
No.
Did you use any credentials like a job?
No.
What'd you do? You raised private money? What'd you do?
I raised private money for it.
So you used private money. You didn't have to give, how much are you all in on this deal with private money?
Private money was 55.
55 grand. Okay, so you're into this house. What's the purchase price?
592.
592, so less than 10% down,
3.325.
3.325 interest rate, pretty spectacular. We got a little party going on because Kevin is like everybody's little brother in SubTo. Everybody loves Kevin inside of our SubTo community, so he's got a little party going on. We'll ignore them. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk through. I wanna see the house. I haven't seen it yet. Show me what we got.
Well, so this is like, I guess, the living area. I just got a pool table that was already here. It's a little arcade.
Dope. So this is like, you got a little dining area. This is great for parties and meetups.
Yeah.
You gonna have some real estate meetups here?
I'm definitely gonna have some real estate meetups.
Do you have an HOA here?
Yeah, $20.
Your neighborhood's gonna hate you, dog.
Oh yeah.
Hey, by the way, if you guys know any hot single chicks, have them DM Kevin Choe. He's here local. He's gonna make between $400,000 and $700,000 this year, something like that. So he's single, rich, and ready to mingle. Hey, y'all, say hello to the YouTube channel. Okay, we've got a lot of our leaders in SubTo here. Guys, everybody tell your name as he points the camera to you.
Daryl Ellison.
Marlon Johnson, aka Mindset Marlon.
Tate Hugel.
Jalen Breen.
Gage Gardner.
He forgot his name. Bro, are you under the influence right now?
I've eaten so much fruit in the past week, I don't even know what I'm on.
Oh, okay, I love it.
He's on detox.
He's on detox. I love it. Okay, so we're here in the kitchen. Cool. This is awesome. Show me around. Get me into the house. I want to see the house.
So it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house, almost a 2,400 square feet.
Did you have to renovate it?
No, I didn't renovate anything.
And where'd you get this couch? Did you go and buy this couch?
No, the house came like this.
Bro, don't lie to YouTube, okay? People on YouTube.
No, seriously.
People on YouTube don't like being lied to.
So the reason why the homeowner sold to us subject to is because she bought the house to do an Airbnb last year, and then she wasn't making the number that she was looking to make.
Surprise, surprise. Did you guys see the Airbnb thing that popped up yesterday? Airbnb is getting annihilated right now. And so if you guys are out there, you have Airbnbs and you want to sell them subject to, we got you, bro. We got you. So you had somebody bought this property last year, probably 2021. They got a good interest rate.
Yeah.
And they furnished it, spent all this money, and it wasn't doing the numbers they planned.
She was breaking even every single month.
And she was like, this isn't worth it.
Yeah.
And so she let you take over the loan, plus you gave her some money down.
We first offered like $15,000 down, but she said, well, I already spent $20,000 in furnishing, you know.
So she wanted 20 grand.
Yeah.
So you gave her 20 grand plus the agent got what?
Oh no, I gave her 35, so 10 plus all the money. She just made all her money back. She didn't make any money.
Okay, so she just walked away breaking even.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Agent got paid?
Yes.
Okay, so real estate agents, just so you guys know, you can do subject to whatever your broker is telling you that it's illegal. Just tell your broker there's a reason why they call you brokers. Because you're broker than a 22-year-old kid.
She got paid $13,000 on this.
$13,000. How happy was she?
Oh, she was like, when am I getting paid? Because this was such a long escrow.
Why?
Because the homeowner wanted to finish off their booking because she wanted to keep the 5-star.
Oh.
So it was an 8-month escrow.
Oh, because she must have other Airbnbs.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. That makes sense. It was an 8-month escrow?
Yeah. They had like a really long guest.
Okay, cool. Well, that's good. You still worked out because what happened is they were paying down your loan for 8 months. Basically,
yeah.
you took over.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Show me the house. I want to show people where the magic happens, bro.
No magic happens. It's my first. I spent my first night here yesterday.
Okay. Did you walk around naked at all yesterday?
No, I jumped into the pool naked though.
Oh, he jumped in the pool naked, guys.
This is room number 1. I haven't done anything to the house, like to this room especially.
So you got the TVs, you got everything with it. You got a tour. The view of the pool. This is great, bro.
Yeah, I haven't done anything.
Okay,
I
cool.
barely even walked in here.
I want to see the primary bedroom is the main thing I want to see.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you got no carpet in the whole house, which is spectacular.
Oh, yeah,
they did the linoleum. So you got bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bathroom. Eric, you got B-roll, right? Yeah. Okay, Eric got B-roll, guys. He'll pop B-roll up so you guys can see all this stuff. Great laundry room, amazing storage.
And this is my primary bedroom.
What the freak, dude? Are you serious?
So it's a huge upgrade because I was at 500 square foot apartment. And
Wow.
this is just.
Dude, this is like you could have an office and a bedroom in here.
Well, I have a separate office. I didn't show you yet.
This is how much of a baller you are now. You went from 0 to hero, dude. 18 months ago, where were you?
I was at my mom's house.
And what did I tell you to do?
Go move to Phoenix, move out of your parents' house, which I did, and then I stayed at my apartment for 18 months, and then now I just spent my first night.
How has your life changed, bro?
It's surreal. Lot more responsibilities. I have salary people, and I have a lot of people to pay, and it's like I have to go out and make more money just to break even, and on top of that more.
But doesn't that, for me, I tell people, you want to make more money? Go hire more people.
Yeah.
Why? Not because they'll make you more money, necessarily. Yes, they'll make you more money, but it's the pressure it puts on you to be accountable to other people that makes you want to go out and make more money, right?
Yeah.
It's stressful.
It's super stressful.
But imagine I have 600 people working for me, how stressful that is.
Yeah, and it's not 600 people, it's 600 people plus their family.
Plus their families, yeah. And so I actually prefer the pressure because it keeps me accountable. It's why I never stop working, is because I'm always thinking about the people that work for me.
Yeah.
And I imagine you're going through that same thing, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. So.
First off, everybody, we want to tell Kevin that we're proud of him. So go down in the description down below, tell him we're proud of you, Kevin, down in the comments.
Kevin, I'm really proud of you.
This dude has worked his guts out. 22-year-old kid, is going to make somewhere around $500,000 this year. Primarily, if not almost like 99% of your deals are going to be sub-2 and seller finance deals.
Yeah, everything's, I've done 38 sub-2 so far.
38 sub-2 deals.
In this year.
This year. That's not possible.
No, I mean, that's the ones that's closed, and that's set to close already with buyer in place.
Man, I don't even know what to tell you guys that are like sub-2's not possible. Anyway, so which bed is your girlfriend sleeping?
Both of them are mine.
Both, so you can like roll over and like jump back and forth at nighttime?
Yeah, and then sometimes that bedroom if I.
Okay, cool. So you're thinking this isn't going to be like another office space. You're going to have another office.
Yeah. So
okay, show me this bathroom real fast, and then we'll go over there.
So this is my bathroom.
Dude, this is a great layout. Like the fact that you've got the door going out to the pool from the primary. You've got dude, this is a great pool too, man. This is awesome. Oh my, and you almost have, dude, you have a fruit tree. You got a jacuzzi. Dude, what the freak? You got a jacuzzi?
I got jacuzzi, pool, cornhole.
This is 10 foot deep.
Yeah.
Dude, you got a waterfall, 10 foot deep thing. You got this, you got hooked up, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm very blessed. It's a huge backyard. Like you can just turn around the corner. There's
Bro, there's 50-year-old, 60-year-old people that don't have something like this.
Yeah.
Proud of you, man. This is freaking impressive. Okay, cool. So you got really great. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a dream, dude.
Oh yeah. The first thing I woke up this morning, I just jumped into the pool. It was great.
Oh my gosh. Well, it's 110 degrees out here, so that makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. This is kind of funky. This is some Korean stuff right here, bro. You got raised up tubs.
Yeah.
This is good. I like it. They did a good job on the reno. You won't have to worry about this. You got quartz countertops. She's got good cabinets here. This is great.
So I'm very happy. Just this room alone is.
Check this out, guys. We can walk through the closet. This is such an interesting flow.
I know. And then
I don't think it's bad. I actually really like this because I think it's annoying. If you're a single dude,
yeah,
which you are, let's fix that. YouTube, let's fix that. This dude needs
200,000 subscribers. There has to be
To get
somebody.
a girl? Oh, yeah, we got 210. By the time this video will come out in 2027, just kidding, I gotta say that Eric's here. But this will come out probably in 30 days or so. You guys will probably be at 215, 220,000 subscribers. There's gotta be somebody watching the video right now that has a girl that is worthy of a guy who's gonna be a millionaire in a couple of years. Can you imagine that? You'll be a millionaire.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
in a few years. This is gonna be my office because I want to use this as my office space.
Oh my gosh, what the heck is going on in this house? Is this like a secret thing that she's oh,
It's a closet.
What?
Because I prefer to work like in a completely dark spot with just like screen on. So I'm gonna use this as an office space, and then I want to make this room a podcast studio.
Dude, this is so cool.
Like my intention with this house, and the reason why I don't have roommates is because whoever's flying into Phoenix, I just want to host them for free, and I want to collaborate with them. Like now you're forced to talk to me because you're in my house.
I love it. And you'll have the podcast studio in here so you guys can just jam late at night, turn the cameras on and put it on the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Guys, if you're in the SubTo community, just so you guys know, you can just stay here anytime you want. Kevin will give it to anybody for free if you're in the SubTo community.
Oh, seriously, yeah.
Seriously. He wants to collaborate. We're not gonna have house parties at my house anymore. We're gonna have house parties here.
No, your house is like 4 times the size. We can't fit that many people in this house here.
Okay, all right. Well, we'll do smaller parties here. Guys, spectacular house. We're super proud of Kevin. We love him. He does so much for the community. This guy, when he first came into our community, he was like, I don't have any friends. That was his biggest problem. Now, how many friends you got?
Hundreds.
Hundreds. You go is there any state in the country that you couldn't say you have 10, 15 friends in?
Oh no, every state.
Welcome to SubTo.
Yeah.
Kevin's one of the great leaders in our SubTo community. If a 20-year-old kid going into 22 years old, that time frame can go and do 38 deals in a 6-month time frame, make $500,000 in a year, just no college degree.
No college degree.
Running meetups, being a great leader, making a ton of money, helping real estate agents, helping sellers. Like, think about how many sellers you're helping as a 22-year-old kid.
Yeah.
Proud of you, dude.
Thank you.
Guys, tell Kevin you're proud of him and prove to Kevin you're proud of him by hitting the subscribe button on the way down. And if you guys want to do a follow-up video, ask a question down below of what would you ask Kevin, and I'll have Kevin come back on the channel, and we'll see you in another video.